Hello everyone. I hope everybody's well and doing okay. So I'm back with another analysis of EURUSD and GBPUSD. Uh, it's quite a while since I did the last one, but I've been thinking that I need to do this regularly now. So I probably will be doing it regularly from now onwards every week, at least maybe twice a week. I don't know. Let's see how much response I get in next few weeks, and I'll take it up from there. So before diving into the chart of EURUSD and GBPUSD, just let's have a look what's going on with dollar index. This is the weekly chart of the dollar index. The first thing you see is that it is very near the one major high, and I probably would think that this is going to be taken out soon. And once this is taken out, I will probably would see some sort of correction after that, maybe to the 50% retracement, or maybe a bit deeper before moving anywhere else. So this is what I'm looking at right now, and this is what I'm thinking, that the first thing, or maybe then Tuesday or Wednesday, the first thing the price would do on dollar index is to take out this high. And once this high is taken in, then probably you'll be looking at how the price behaves just after this high has been taken. And I'll probably will pairing up my opportunities on EURUSD and GBPUSD. Let's me move to EURUSD and see what's going on over there. Okay, so this is a weekly chart of EURUSD. You can see that there's a week. It seems like price needs a little bit of correction, because if you can see from here onwards, on weekly basis, there has not been very very often, the prices never move very often in the same direction with the intensity that it has done since November. So this has been a very strong downtrend, and the buyers did not have a lot of opportunities to get into the market. But the only thing that I am looking, the only thing I'm wary of right now is this low, basically, that I think is of significance. Just like I told you that on DXY, this is a high that price would take out, and then after that we'll see some sort of rejection. The same thing, I'm looking at EURUSD. I'm looking at this low, and I need this low to be taken out by the price on Tuesday or maybe Wednesday, and then I'll be pairing up my positions with buyers on Wednesday or Thursday. But if the price reverses from here and goes back, I'll probably it will no, it will go without me, and I'll just have to wait for my opportunity, since my system is I've designed the system in a way that I have to wait for the opportunities when there are clear signals. And I think the most clear signal will come once we sort of violate this level and see the price reaction after that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now, and if I look into the daily chart, I can definitely see that the only major correction or minor correction in this major trend was this sort of corrective move that occurred for buyers. Other than that, like it's very definite downtrend. So the first thing, as I told you, is that I want this low to be taken out, and then I probably would see price would go up. And if everything goes as according as I told you, then probably I'll be getting into buys, and my target would be this corrective structure that I just delineated. So I would be getting into buys from here and targeting this structure, and that way, I mean to say, I would probably along this area I'll take my position, and will target this structure like that. this is the rough idea that I'm giving you right now. It's just not definite right now. So as I told you, this is my target basically. So let me kind of put that, yeah, let me do that in, okay. So this is a target that I'll be having, I'll be targeting, and I personally believe the price would probably go up till there, and touch this kind of auto block before before going back down, or even going further up. I don't know. Maybe the first thing that comes to my mind is this is a target, but I definitely think that this is the decision kind of block that price would come to, and then the decision would be made right over here, around this area, to be fair. Yeah, and from there I think the decision would be made, like it needs to go down, or it then probably would need to do a breakout and start to go up. So I'm not sure about that yet, and there's a lot of time till that happens, so I'm really not sure. So the only thing that I'm sure right now is I have to wait. I've been waiting for quite a long time. I've made a lot of money from this move basically initially, and once I got out of my position, I never got back in, although people have made a lot of money after that as well. But you know, rules are rules, and I'll be abiding by them, and I'll not be getting into any trades until unless I see some clarity for me. So this is all for me, for my side on EURUSD. Now let's dive into the chart of GBPUSD and see what's going on over there. So this is a chart. This is a weekly chart of GBPUSD. As you guys can see that it seems like it has been in a downtrend as well, but what I think is that it has just taken out a major low. It is not very clear. Let me go down to the daily chart, and here you can definitely see that this was kind of major low that the price has just taken out, and now I'm very positive that the price now would go back to at least this sort of level, and maybe more, and if more, then probably to this inefficiency that price left earlier. So just let me draw that quickly for you. Yep, this is I think is the ultimate target, and from there I'll be looking at other things, but it price might take quite some weeks, like 3-4 weeks, maybe more, to get into these areas. The first target, if I get into a long position from there, maybe a Tuesday or Wednesday next week, would be to target this order block, the first order block, and then from then onwards I'll be looking at the correction of price from there, and maybe holding it some of my position to this inefficiency. And this is a target. This is the plan for me. Although I take my entries on low time frames, minute time frames, but bigger time frames are always very good to build a narrative, and the things that I've just shared with you are basically narratives, my narratives for EURUSD and GBPUSD. So you need to understand, GBPUSD has taken out the low. For me, the low that was taken out on Friday was a significant low. I really don't see price going down and taking out this low or this low. The reason being that we usually see some sort of reactions whenever the major low is taken out, and this was one of the major lows that price created back in June. And I think we would see, definitely see some sort of reaction after that. What does that mean in terms of EURUSD and DXY? Dollar, I would say the price would hang around a bit, and it will hang around there till EURUSD and EURUSD takes out this low and dollar index takes out this high. This is what I'm thinking. Just thinking top of my head, from top of my head. It may be a little bit different from that, but this is what I think, based on my experience of 7 past years. This is what I think is going to happen. Anyways, let's then let's just look at the calendar, forex calendar of coming week, and this would give us a very good idea of profiling over coming trading week as well. So on Tuesday, I can't see anything happening, to be honest. Tuesday on Euro and GBP is going to be a very quiet day, so I probably would not even open my trading platform that day. Anyways, Tuesday is going to be CPI for Canadian dollars. I have not told you anything about not discussed Canadian dollar and in this video, because I can't discuss everything, every pair, because it will make it very long. So I'm just sticking to EURUSD and GBPUSD. So on Wednesday, it's CPI of pound. So we would definitely see some sort of explosive move on Wednesday on pound, and it would be interesting to see by then, has euro already taken out the low end and DXY already taken out the high or not. If yes, then probably it's a reversal. I would start from Wednesday. Thursday is going to be good news on EURUSD, for DXY. That means EURUSD, that we'll see movement on EURUSD and GBPUSD on Thursday and Friday. So the days of interest for coming week for me are Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, especially if you're EURUSD and GBPUSD trader. Other than that, I'll just on Monday I'll probably be busy doing other things, just preparing myself for coming days. And on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we'll definitely see some very good price action on these pairs. So and then I will just like to say, please do subscribe to the channel. Please do like my video, and please comment if you want me to do other pairs. If you have any suggestions, if you want to add anything, just please write into those comments, and I'll try to include your feedback in my coming videos. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. Take care, and bye bye.